Hey everyone, this is Marley Bogdan with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Today we're going to take a quick look at this 38 GLS outboard from Crusiers Yachts. This boat's powered by triple 300 Mercury engines. Super fuel efficient, quiet engines are V8s, so they're going to get you up on plane really fast. Tons of seating facing aft here, so if you want to face the water when you're up at the sandbar, you have that option. Another cool option that they did is have this drop down platform. So if you're at the sandbar, you just have some more entertaining space and you have more space to walk around the boat. You've got even more seating when we step into the cockpit, and you're protected by this nice hardtop that also has a sunshade system for aft. So if you want to get complete shade coverage in the back of the boat, you have that option. And you also have a summer kitchen. You're going to have a grill, a sink, and a refrigerator. And my favorite part is you have a bar here with 2 bar stools so you can entertain your guests. Now taking a look at the Helm, we have 2 Simrad displays. You have your Seakeeper display, that's for your gyro stabilizer. And of course you have the joystick piloting system that's going to make getting in and out of the dock a breeze. In addition to being a day boat, you also have a pretty good sized cabin down below. Check out that V-shaped seating in the front, and then you're also going to have an aft sleeping area in the back of the boat. Stepping up to the bow, really big seats here. You've got armrests built in. You've got control to your audio system, speakers, USB charging, plenty of cup holders. This boat also has a sunshade system that goes in right here with these pipes. And then of course this boat's going to have a windlass anchor, so it's going to make pulling up to the sandbar really nice and easy for you. If you want to see this boat in person, please come see us here at MarineMax Pompano Beach. Again, my name's Marley. Give me a call at 754-208-3321.